How to improve your English speaking, step by step. Hello everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you a question. Do you understand English, but you can't speak it? Do you know words, but you forget them when you talk? Do you feel nervous when you try to speak English? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you exactly how to improve your English speaking step by step. And not just simple tips. I will explain everything in detail. I will give you real examples, and I will show you practical exercises you can use every day. So if you watch this video until the end, you will have a complete system to become fluent in English speaking. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and write in the comments, "I will speak English confidently." Now let's begin. Step 1, to understand the real problem. Many students think, my English is weak. I don't know enough vocabulary. My grammar is bad. The real problem is lack of speaking practice, fear of making mistakes, translating in your head. Explanation: you may understand English, but speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. Think about it like this. You can understand football, but can you play football without practice? No. Same with English. Key idea: speaking equals practice plus confidence plus speed. Mini exercise. Say this out loud. I can improve my English if I practice every day. Repeat 3 times. Step 2, stop translating. This is the biggest mistake. What most students do. Think, translate, speak. Example: I want to say something. Translate in your language. Speak slowly, new method. Think directly in English. Example: instead of, I am going to the supermarket to buy vegetables, say, I go market, I buy food. I need vegetables. Practice. Look around and say, this is my phone. I am sitting. I feel tired. Do this every day. Your brain changes. Step 3, speak every day. You cannot improve speaking without speaking. Method 1, self-talk. Talk about your day. Today I woke up at 8 inches. I am studying English now. Method 2, mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Why? Builds confidence. Feels like real conversation. Method 3, record yourself. Record your voice and listen. Practice task. Talk for 1 minute. My daily routine. Step 4, shadowing technique. This is one of the most powerful methods. What is shadowing? Listen and repeat at the same time. Example: audio. I am learning English every day. You. I am learning English every day. Practice section. Repeat after me. I want to improve my English. I practice every day. I will not give up. Repeat 2-3 times. Step 5, learn sentences. Don't learn sentences. Wrong, hungry. Correct, I am hungry. I am very hungry now. I didn't eat today. Practice, repeat. I am tired today. I am very tired today. This builds fluency. Step 6, repetition. Repetition makes speaking automatic. Example: I want to improve my English. Repeat and change. I really want to improve my English. I need to improve my English fast. Practice. Repeat 5 times. Step 7, remove fear. Fear is the biggest enemy. Truth. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn. Mindset. I am learning, not performing. Practice. Say, I am not afraid to speak English. Step 8. Speak with others. Topics. Daily life. School. Work. Rule. Don't be perfect. Just speak. Final message. If you follow these steps, toe, speak daily, think in English, use shadowing, practice sentences, you will improve. Final motivation. Fluency is not about perfection. It is about communication. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, comment. I will speak English.